As if you're gonna eat that, honey.
Oh, that's not the one.
I don't think that's the one, honey. Huh? What's that? Hala, nakakita gayon. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So we're currently in Woolworths. We are going to do some grocery shopping because it's Sunday and tomorrow is Monday and it's back to work. And also, seriously guys, the only reason why we're here is that we ran out of rice. And then I went online to check the pricing, and it shows that Safeway or Woolworths, they're doing like 50% off the jasmine rice, the one that we really like. Paris is just keeping making noise. Yes, honey. Mango? Say hi. Huh?
You want manga?
Mommy.
Come on, let's go. Lucky if we still have some.
Last one.
Ooh, lucky last. Last There you go. That's good. We were actually rushing, guys. What's that? Mango. Wanna hold the key for Mama? Ooh. No, please.
What will I say?
Peace.
Again?
Peace.
Okay.
Mommy.
Yes or no, honey? Welcome up.
Mama.
As if you're gonna eat that, honey.
Natasha. Which one na? Kabalik niya, Tik.
Yeah, that's right. It's a good idea because you don't eat that. How about the yogurt buttons? The one that you really like. Which one was that?
Oh, that's not the one.
I don't think that's the one, honey. I think this is the one, honey.
How about this one? Baby girl.
That was the one.
This is the one that you like. Not that one.
Put it back, please. Thank you. And
Maybe
grab the
she
one
wants
that you
to try-
like.
You wanna try something new, babe?
There you
Okay.
go. Good
Put it
girl.
here.
How about this one?
Put inside the cart.
No.
Put it here?
No, no.
No? We'll just put this back. Shh. Anak, ibalik sa shelf na.
No.
Honey, ibalik sa shelf. Please? Please?
Peace.
This one. Put it back in the shelf. Thank you. Thank you,
Put it back
sweetheart.
in the shelf, not in the cart. Honey?
What else? This one, oh? You like this one? I think you like this one. Eh, taka. Pila na kagitagana na eh, kamukhaon. Alin na?
Kita na gurot.
Is that yours? Let's go. Where's Paris? He needs to look. Wow, nice pram, honey.
This one, alright. What's this one, B? B, what's this? Huh? Coke. Okay.
After beef stock, I'm planning to make a beef casserole tonight. So that one there from Campbell's, it's $4. But if you get the Walrus brand. It's only for $1.90. Let's go with this one. Would be fine for sure. Guys, we were worried before because we thought that was the last one. They're all here, guys. Pila mong gusto? 5 ka box? We'll probably get another one, guys, because you know they don't do this all the time. So.
Nanay nagkauna din nga ako nagbayad oh.
And Paris, how you doing, Anna? How you doing, Anna?
Really good.
Oh God, like guys, she was insisting to have this thing open because she wants to eat it, and she haven't tried it yet. Hello, tanawang tagisi pa priso. This is what I need. Slow cook. This would be enough, or maybe we need a bigger one. Oh, we'll just have this one. Dua lang ka buo.
Hindi pang malnourished man ang inom mo.
Ilang kilo silang carrots mo? Wala, $2.20.
Sa mga karon sa Australia.
Dua na ka bukmak.
Pila ba? Doon ka
Dua, kami ra kay ga. Labay yapon ka.
Pan.
Ay, siliri mo. Sila siliri mo.
Uy, ito walang siliri.
Kaya, bugok ko lang siliri.
Uy, siliri. Okay.
Nara, oh, siliri
siliri
sticks.
sticks.
Oh, mahal man.
Pang dumpling na dapon.
No, I love siliri. It's expensive. This one is reduced to $3.33.
Kalaya naman.
What's
Mommy?
Yes, honey. Do you want to hold this one for Mama? Thank you. Pick up some bananas. What's this, Paris?
Mama.
Nana. Good girl.
Mama.
Uy, wala may wala.
Yes, honey. Peanut butter?
Yeah.
Shh. Sit down.
Wala stick eh.
Huh? What's that? Hala, nakakita grayon. No, we can't open that, honey. You opened the food already before.
Mommy.
Fine, but that one's not. Put it back, please.
No.
Ay, maldita. Guys. Bamboo skewers. So we're trying to do potato twirls. See if it works.
Hindi mo din kung barbecue ticket.
Come on, honey. Let's go.
Ay ka ng pork ba?
Mama. Mommy.
Yes. Can we please put it back? Let's go. What's this one? What's this one?
No, so.
Daiso. Alina. I'll put it in the cart. We'll buy it. Just we can't open it until we get home, okay? Yeah. Shh. Come on. We're just gonna buy a Coke and that's it. Go home. Come on na. Ayun na. I love tea.
Happy.
Oh, mo na lami mak.
This one?
Napag ka na oh. Ano? Salted bernards ko na.
Panin?
Ay, manghilabot na sa lagi dayon ah. We'll go get Coke. This one. Coke is what? 1.25 liters for $2.
Dako, baby na.
Ang saan mo gusto nga pangalan? Hartley. Caraway. Ayun na, bata nga nag... Samsawam. guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was a really quick one, and thank you so much for being with us. Grocery shopping with little Paris, and yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one, guys. And please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, guys, to be a part of this family. And we will, you know, try hard to do more videos in the future, so you know you got more videos to watch. And yeah, if you have any feedbacks or suggestions, let us know. So yeah, have a good night, everyone. See you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
be careful. Bye.
Bye. Bye, baby girl. Bye.